Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bandang Mission Souls, yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na Fall For You. Ayan yung Second Hand Serenade. Ang kumanta nito guys, year 2008. Ito release. Ayan, sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
The best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting. Could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am
Nakakatuwa si Nisha at si Stacy. Inaayos yung kanilang bangs.
trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core, but hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
Pagkakatanda ko kasi itong bandang to guys, yung original na kumanta nito parang emo. Emo yung kanilang datingan.
Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see.
Yung bangs nila nakabagsak ng pag ano. Kaya kung maalala nyo pa sa mga may favorite sa bandan to. Second Hand Serenade.
Another day, I swear it's true. 'Cause a girl like you's impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Kuha ni Aces yung sa piano, sa original.
This is not what I intended. I always swore to you I'd never fall apart. You always thought that I was stronger.
Taos ng boses Stacy. Kuha niya.
I fail, but I have loved you from the start. Oh, but hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Grabe, ang solid nun. Yung pasok ng chorus.
Over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you's impossible
Hataw si Aisa hampas ng cymbals.
to find. It's impossible, so breathe in so deep. Breathe me in, I'm yours to keep. And hold on to your words, 'cause talk is cheap.
Grabe. Grabe si Mama Sheena talaga. Wala yatang hindi kayang kantahin to si Mama Sheena. At walang hindi yata kayang tugtugin tong bandang Mission Souls. Lahat ng genre. Halos lahat natugtog na nila.
And remember me tonight when you're asleep, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't
Ano masabi nyo guys sa cover na to guys? I-comment nyo lang yung mga reaction nyo guys sa ating comment section.
live to see another day. I swear it's true, 'cause a girl like you's impossible to find. Tonight will be the night that I'll fall
Gusto ko yun yung bagsak ng bass ni Daddy Second.
for you over again.
Pakasulit
Don't
ito.
make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true.
Parang wala yatang adlib tong kanta na to. Pagkakatanda ko. Ayan, tingnan na natin.
'Cause a girl like you's impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Grabe yun. Sinimplihan lang nila yung patapos guys. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa Bandang Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel guys. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang kanta. At hintayin natin guys, meron daw silang i-release na kanilang original songs. Yan, ang tabayanan natin. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.